First one of the day, Yamaha MT07. Looks like it's seen better days. Oh, exhaust is minging. Lovely bikes these. We previously had a Ducati Monster. But, a little bit of pitting going on. Jesus. Oh, that chain. Filthy. Nice little cover, keep the shot clean. A bit of corrosion from salt, winter grime. And he has. Let's get tracking. Let's get cracking. Trott full Monty coming up. MT07 just finished. Just under 2 hours. I'd say the client's gonna be over the moon. I had to paint these wheels. As always, once you get all the dirt off, you realize how crap they are underneath. Those pipes, they took a bit of elbow grease, cleaned all the front of the motor, painted all the bits that were shabby. These pipes always go rusty, so I painted those. ACF 50 did all afterwards. All your nuts and bolts, all your banjo bolts. ACF 50 polished up the pipe inside out and the back. Cleaned all the back caliper up. ACF 50, painted the wheels. ACF 50 all the chain adjusters. That sprocket cover was hanging. This was all red rusty. Wheels have come up nice. Painted the side stand, all rusty. Now the motor looks like new. All this can be done in your lunch break. Give me a call now, 07966 249 963. Open 7 days a week, satisfaction guaranteed.